Hi, my name is Sophia, and today we'll be talking about the importance of storing your hair system or wigs properly to increase its lifespan. After returning home from a very long day at work or hanging out with your friends, the question is, what do you do with your hair system? If you want to keep your hairpiece looking shiny and lasting long, remember the importance of storing it properly. Your scalp naturally produces oil and sebum to protect and hydrate your hair to keep it looking healthy and moisturized. Even with real human hair systems, you would still not get the same benefits. Why? It's because even with real hair, you're still going to attach it to lace and poly material that do not naturally produce oil or sebum to protect and hydrate your hair. Therefore, storing your hair systems or wigs properly is very important. Remember, always use shampoos and conditioners that are formulated specifically for hair systems. And you can get them all through our website at www.superhairpieces.com. Make sure to clean, dry, and brush your hair system. If adhesive was used on the hair system, make sure to wash it to remove the glue residue or tape. Make sure not to store your hair system wet because you're gonna get a lot of unwanted tangles and it's gonna take a lot of brushing and combing, and you don't want that. After washing your hair system, make sure to air dry it and brush it to keep it smooth, tangle-free, and ready for storage. Some hair systems may come with silicone coating and you can wash them off and instead replace it with a leave-in conditioner to keep it moisturized and tangle-free. Now I'm gonna show you options for hairpiece storage. For starters, a plastic bag. Make sure you air it out to avoid moisture coming in. Another option for you is a shoebox. There are actually a couple of ways to do that. One of which is to just lay it flat in the box. Another way to store a hair system in the shoebox is by using a template. All you have to do is put it in the shoebox and put the wig over the template. That way it retains the shape and keeps it looking brand new. By using a template while storing your hair system, you're also avoiding tangles. If you need a template, just go on our website at www.superhairpieces.com. Lastly, if you don't have a template, you can actually use a paper. All you have to do is crumple it and put it in the shoebox. And just like with the template, you can put the wig over it to retain its shape. Lastly, a wig stand. Compared to the templates that we used in the shoebox earlier, this is actually a fuller head, which means it could retain its shape better than the template. And if you have a compatible headstand, applying pins to it is another option to store it properly. If you don't have one, you can get wig stands through our website at www.superhairpieces.com. After covering what to store your hairpiece in, here are some final things to consider. Some people like to store their hairpiece in the open, and in some conditions, this could ruin the hair system. Whether it's in a shoebox, a mannequin stand, or a plastic bag, be sure to keep it away from the sunlight. Exposure to heat can cause color fading and also dry and straw-like hair. And that is why it's important to store your hair system in a darker room. Some best practices is keeping it in a closet, cupboard, or a wardrobe. If you follow these steps, your hair system will remain in good condition and will have a longer lifespan. If you're interested in learning more, visit our website at www.superhairpieces.com. Once again, my name is Sophia, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye!